Hi guys, so today we've got the Prismatic Accessory Pouch Special Collection. Just 5 packs in this and the pouch, so let's have a look-see. Right, so the 5 packs there, and the pouch. Which apparently fits the deck box quite nicely. And then can stand up. Lovely, so 5 packs. Let me know down in the comments how you're doing with Prismatic now. Are you getting somewhere? Can't get hold of it? How are you getting on? So we've got Heatran Reverse, Pinsir, and a Whimsicott. Fancy Energy. So we've got Briar, Pokeball, Glass Trumpet Reverse, and Iron Hands EX. Right, third pack. Blood Moon Ursaluna Reverse, Ogre's Mask, and Espeon. Janine's Secret Art, Budew, and Umbreon. Right, so last pack. So we've got a Dunsparce Pokeball, Archload on reverse, and Espion EX. So that's going to do it. Don't forget, like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, let us know how you're getting on with Prismatic. Cheers guys, bye now.